This is where everything comes together. You have defined your project, you have built a clear plan, you have aligned your team. Now it is time to execute. But here is the truth. Execution is not just about doing the work, it is about managing the work while it is happening. Because once a project starts, things change. Tasks take longer, priorities shift, unexpected issues appear. If you are not tracking performance in real time, you lose control. In this module, you will learn how to execute with structure and track progress without creating unnecessary complexity. One of the most common mistakes is staying too long in planning. At some point, you have to move. Execution begins when you turn your plan into action. Start by activating your tasks, assign them clearly, confirm deadlines, ensure everyone understands what they are responsible for, then begin. But here's what matters. Do not assume that because work has started, progress is happening. Execution requires visibility. You must be able to see what is being done, what is pending, and what is delayed. So from day one, focus on action with visibility, not just activity. Many people make tracking difficult. Too many tools, too many reports, too much detail, and eventually no one keeps up. Tracking should be simple and consistent. At any point in time, you should be able to answer 3 questions. What has been completed? What is currently in progress? What is delayed? That is enough to maintain control. You can use a simple system, a task list, a shared document, or a basic tracking tool. The goal is not perfection. The goal is clarity. When tracking is simple, it gets used. And when it gets used, it becomes powerful. To manage performance effectively, you need to measure the right things. There are 3 key areas to focus on. Tasks, time, budget. Tasks tell you if work is being completed. Are tasks on track, delayed, or completed? Time tells you if you are following your schedule. Are you ahead, on track, or behind? Budget tells you if you are spending within your limits. Are you overspending, underutilizing, or balanced? You do not need complex dashboards. Just keep these 3 areas visible. When you track tasks, time, and budget consistently, you always know where your project stands. A bottleneck is anything slowing down progress. It could be a person, a process, or a missing resource. If you do not identify bottlenecks early, they grow. And when they grow, they delay the entire project. So your role is to observe. Where is work getting stuck? Which tasks are repeatedly delayed? Who is overloaded? Once you identify the issue, act quickly. Reassign tasks if needed. Adjust timelines if necessary. Provide support where required. Small delays are easy to fix early. Big delays are difficult to recover from. Early action keeps your project moving. No project runs exactly as planned. Adjustments will always be needed. The key is how you make them. Sudden changes without communication create confusion. So when adjustments are required, explain the reason clearly, show how it affects the plan, confirm new expectations, keep changes structured and controlled, do not constantly shift direction. Make intentional adjustments based on real information. This keeps your team focused and confident. Stability with flexibility is the goal. At this stage, you are no longer just managing a plan, you are managing performance. You are observing progress. You are identifying issues early. You are making informed adjustments. Instead of reacting to problems late, you stay ahead of them. This is what keeps projects on track consistently. Execution is not about working harder. It is about working with clarity, visibility, and control. Now it is time to apply this in real work. Using your current project, create a simple weekly tracking system. List all active tasks and their current status. Track progress based on your timeline, monitor any budget-related activity if applicable. Identify any delays or bottlenecks. Write a short weekly report summarizing progress. Keep it simple and consistent, because the more you track, the more control you gain over your project. When you master execution and tracking, you do not just complete projects. You deliver them with consistency and confidence.